In conclusion, rendering is a crucial step in the After Effects workflow that involves exporting your compositions or animations into a video file format suitable for distribution or further editing. By understanding the different rendering options and settings available in After Effects, you can optimize the output to meet specific requirements and achieve the desired visual quality. When choosing the appropriate video format for rendering, consider factors such as intended use, compatibility with target platforms or devices, and the level of control you need over the video settings. Formats like QuickTime, MP4, and others offer varying levels of versatility, quality, and compression efficiency, making them suitable for different purposes. It's important to tailor your rendering settings based on the requirements of your specific project and the platforms you intend to distribute your video to. Consider factors such as resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and audio settings, ensuring they align with the recommendations of platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for optimal playback quality and compatibility. Additionally, if you need to preserve transparency or alpha channels, make sure to select a format and codec that support this feature. Rendering with an alpha channel allows for seamless compositing, overlaying graphics, and integrating visual effects into your projects, enhancing their overall quality and flexibility. Ultimately, by understanding the rendering process and making informed choices about formats, codecs, and settings, you can ensure that your final rendered videos meet the desired standards and effectively communicate your creative vision.